Today is day 7 of the 365 Math Olympiad journey. And it finally starts now. We just finished our day 7 of the 365 Math Olympiad journey. And what I've got to say today is actually super exciting. Because today is the day that I actually feel like I might become a Math Olympiad. So today's chapter was about proofs. I haven't read that much because most of the time was wasted on problems. But either way, I learned a lot because it's actually super interesting when you think about proofs, and the things inside it is so fun and interesting because it's mostly focused on the psychology and thinking of making a proof, namely direct proof. Direct proof is basically, I haven't understood it that much, but I think direct proof is basically having a bunch of theorems that says that this exact question is true. So a while ago, I don't know if I can show it right now, but basically one of the examples it gave me is basically an equation that this is odd, and it proved later on that yes, it is odd according to this theorem. And it's actually mind-blowing, like, damn, I didn't know you could do that. It's so exciting, like, how did you even think of that? It's so fun. I want to do something like that too, and the fact that I understand it makes it even better. That's why this journey is actually getting fun, because you're actually learning and you actually understand it. And one day I can also think of that too. Bro, thinking about it makes me so excited and happy, because one day I might actually answer my own questions, like answer proofs and understand it. I'm so speechless. Like, I know that I just read the first part, but I am so ready, so ready to read the other parts, because this way I can actually learn. I can actually start doing Math Olympiad questions. Later on, I don't think we're gonna do Math Olympiad. Later in this journey, I don't think we're gonna do Math Olympiads that soon. But maybe in the future, around the end of this journey, we're gonna do more Math Olympiad questions. Anyways, so the reason why I am very excited about this is just like what I said, is very fun that I might actually become a Math Olympiad, and the fact that I might become a Math Olympiad makes me happy enough. And the other thing is that when I look at other Math Olympians try to answer questions, I always get left behind because I see a bunch of theorems out of nowhere. Actually, I once joined a weekly group session in the training server for Philippine Math Olympiad, and one of the people in there, he's crazy, he's smart, but I don't think I'm sure he won something in the International Math Olympiad, but I don't know if he's the GOAT or something. I think he's around my age. It's absolutely crazy. People around my age are so smarter than me. Anyways, while we were doing the group solution, they told me to find a question that seems to suit me. So me, as an absolute beginner, I had no idea what to pick. So I just looked like an amateur back then. So I was just looking at some questions and think, damn, I think that might be easy. And then I tried solving it. Then I asked them. One of the people there is like Jacob or something. Jacob. And I asked him, Jacob, am I doing this right? Then he told me then he told me a hint and told me to focus on primes and focus on the powers. And back then I did not understand a single thing what he was talking about. So I just asked him, what do you mean? I just repeated the question like, what do you mean the primes and the powers? And then what happened is that he asked his brother, Josh, can you help this guy answer the question? And then the dude just literally give me the not gave me the answer, but he just told me like the strategy on finding it. He basically gave me a formula on I think it was I think it was trying to find a single number, but there was a formula for it. I think it was about primes, and then so primes. So basically, there's a formula for finding the sum of primes. So there's this times and this times, basically a set of multiples. I forgot. Anyways, that's what he did, and at the same time, I was so amazed. Like, how did you think of that? Where did that come from? What? How did you think of that? And then he just told me, "Oh, it's just grab it from somewhere. It's just put in the plug, just plug in the numbers." And then I tried answering it, and then at the same time he was like treating me like a toddler. While he was writing down the equations and trying to teach me, he told me, "Oh, so 2 alpha equals 6. Do you understand what is alpha?" Like, man, that is so easy. Even a grade 7 can do that. And at the same time, it just humbled me. Like, damn, if he's treating me like this, like a toddler, bro, I'm so cooked. And I was so embarrassed. I don't think I'm gonna. I was this close to just leaving the call. I'm saying, "I'm sorry if I wasted your time. I'm never coming back again." But I'm really helpful for that. I'm really thankful for that guy, because he actually gave me a sense of reality. Like, this is what math Olympiads actually do, and I'm so impressed by them, because how could you think of that in less like just by reading it? I know it's called like proof strategy according to the book, but it's so interesting. Like, how did you think of that on the spot? You're not supposed to know that. There's no clues or anything. How did you know that? It's not a basic problem. It's literally a problem from a math Olympiad. Like, how did you think of that? It's not that simple. How did you? Oh my God, I'm just angry. Like, how are they so smart? I want to be as smart as them too. Why can't I be smart? But now, in this chapter, this might be my comeback. Believe me when I tell you, this might be my comeback. I believe it. I believe that I can become a math Olympian, because okay, I'm foreshadowing, because I might be foreshadowing the future, but because I just think that maybe if I just learn more about proofs, maybe not like finishing this PDF and then telling myself I'm the math Olympiad guy now. No, I'm just saying that I'm actually taking the first steps of a larger world that I haven't set foot on, and I'm so ready to learn for an adventure in this different type of world. And I encourage you to think of that too. When you're becoming math Olympiad, you have to be excited, because you're becoming one. Imagine the amount of knowledge and stuff that you're gonna do because you started it. You should be proud of yourself. Like, I'm proud of you to starting. If you're not starting, then it's fine, because you're enjoying this video that I'm telling you, and I'm really glad because you're here. And at the same time, I'm happy because you're watching, and I'm actually becoming a math Olympiad. Soon, not right now, but maybe at the end of this journey, I might become a math Olympiad. There will be some struggles, but I know that we can do it. Just trust in me. Trust me that we will become math Olympiads together. This is the end of the day 7 of the 365 math Olympiad journey. Thank you for watching.